Efficient, automatic, controlled, attractive, safer and revolutionary. If we are talking about door and gate automation, Smartpower offers wide range of products and solutions in the field of door and gate automation in India. Established in 1992 and headquartered in Kolkata, Smartpower products and services are available pan-India. Smartpower products are manufactured under technical collaboration with German, Italian and Chinese companies as per European standards. We can also provide UL and CE certification on request. Smartpower high-speed PVC rolling door are popular in food and pharma industry for clean air and isolation. Smartpower makes designer and industrial sliding gates. Our designer gates are made of iron, stainless steel, aluminium, wood and marbles. These automatic gates are used in villas and residential complex. We also make gigantic size industrial sliding gates of 100 feet width and 20 feet height of weights up to 5,000 kgs. These gates operate with remote-controlled motors through rack and pinion mechanism. Our 90-degree sliding folding gate is space saver. The gate is very popular because it doesn't require sliding space. Our motorized retractable gates are made of aluminium and steel and provide 80% opening space. It is strong and used in shopping malls, residential complex, factories and industry. Our telescopic sliding gates are latest in the family. We also make automatic swing gates. Our automatic folding swing gates take lesser space while opening. The telescopic arm type swing gates can operate 6-meter wide gates and weigh up to 500 kg per leaf. We offer all types boom barriers with straight-of-articulate arms. Our boom barriers are compatible with all types of access control systems. We also offer long-distance RFID access control system which can detect the vehicle from 12-meter distance and controls the gate system. Our parking fee management system is widely used residential complexes, in shopping malls and industry. Our parking system uses latest RFID technology and number plate recognition system. Smartpower parking zone display system is widely used in multi-storied parking plaza to give count of vacant space floor-wise. Smartpower glass sensor doors are used in airports, shopping malls, offices, hospitals. In this segment, we offer glass sliding door, auto revolving door, auto swing door, operation theatre hermetically sealed auto door, Our hydraulic bollards are very popular in defense establishments of government, embassy, hotels and residential apartments. Our tire killers are also used in this segment. Our flap gates with e-ticket system are used in amusement parks. We have also dedicated metro subway-like stations with automatic fare collection system in 40 ferry stations of WBTC, West Bengal Transport Corporation, a World Bank project. Our 10,000 square feet state-of-the-art R&D setup at Kolkata take care product quality and service support is backed up by a highly efficient, professionally managed team. Our clients include corporates like ITC, Tata, Coca-Cola, Hindustan Lever, government organizations like State Bank, Reserve Bank, Indian Army, Steel Authority, etc. We are also subcontractors for Siemens, Larsen & Toubro, Ahluwalia and also work for real estate developer, interiors and architects. Live demo of all products are available at Smart Power Home at the heart of the city at Merlin Homeland. For details, visit www.smartpower.co.in. You can see live videos at youtube.com/user/smartpowerautogates or follow us at facebook.com/smartpowerautomation and instagram.com/smartpowerautomation.